Alright guys, what's going on? Happy New Year. It is January 7th, 2022. About to attempt our first camping trip of the new year. And the reason I say attempt is it's pretty snowy out, as you can see. We got hit with a pretty good blast past 2 days. Where I live, I didn't get it that bad actually, but it was up north of here and it went south of here. And just getting the last few things put together here. Took a half day of work today, and while I was at work, I had to drive to a job, or attempt to drive to a job in the southern tier, and let's say I made it not even halfway, and it was just a whiteout, and I had to turn around. And as luck would have it, I have to go that exact same direction to get to the campground we're going to. So, wish me luck. We're going to, again, Allegany State Park, my go-to. We're on the Red House side this time, which is kind of rare. I'm usually on Quaker. Summit Trail, and I think it's cabin 2. Again, my buddy Charlie booked this one. It's kind of last minute, actually. We were watching the Bills game last Sunday and, looked it up, and there was actually 2 cabins left, bookable. So he scooped one up. Since it was pretty last minute, I didn't have much time to really think or plan about what to bring or anything, so I've literally just got 3 backpacks, and then of course my truck's always got camping gear and just kind of survival stuff just in case, because I live in Buffalo and sometimes you slide off the road and end up in a ditch for a night. I did bring a boy's axe and a full-size axe. I've had wood loaded in the back of my truck since the last camping adventure, assuming I'd be out the next weekend or relatively soon, and it's probably been, I don't know, whatever since the last video was. I'm not even sure where we were. I think it was Gypsy Trail, Allegany State Park actually, come to think of it. I have literally no idea what Charlie's bringing. He's usually the guy in charge of the food. I haven't talked to him at all. We're just meeting up there. He's already on the road. I'm a little bit behind him from what I know. I have no idea what's going on. Brought barely anything, and we're just gonna make it an adventure. Just made it through Springville, so I got farther than I did this morning at work. But it's looking pretty grim. And we should be to the cabin in probably another 10 minutes. We're just about to enter the park here. We're making tracks now. Yee! Should probably stop filming and concentrate on driving. Losing the road. Holy shit. Oh, they should put like marking posts up or something, or actually maybe plow the road when it's time to check in, huh? Tell that to the friends at Allegany. Okay, I found Summit Trail Road. Oh my, this is insane. Doesn't look like my buddy's here yet. I think this is the cabin right behind me. I'm not even sure where the hell to put my vehicle. This is intense, man. Look at this. Let me pull in. I think this is 2. If this is 2, this is us. Man, I'm gonna have to get out and see. All right, let's check it out. Doesn't have a number on it. I'm guessing this is it, but I don't know. It said all these cabins were booked. I don't see anybody here. Can't really see much of anything anyway. So. Okay, I've confirmed the cabin that I'm parked at is 2, but Charlie's not here yet, so I'm gonna maybe do a lap around the loop, just get the lay of the land, and then pull back in and back in. Whew, intense. Okay, I feel like this is getting to be a routine. I'm here, pretty sure, pretty positive, pretty 100% this is the right cabin. I think that's him right there. Yeah, I think he's pulling in. I just went around the whole loop. There's not one other car here. According to my buddy Charlie, every single cabin here is booked. So either they're all coming today or the website's screwed up. This is wacky, dude. Here he comes. Alright, the keys work. Well, we wanted a snowy camping adventure.
Man, that was white knuckling.
Yeah, dude, same.
Oh man, I'm freezing. I've no heat in my truck.
Alright, do a little tour of Summit Cabin 2, right? It's got this nice living room kitchen area, and then it's got two separate bedrooms. There's a thermostat heat control for the main area, and then each bedroom has its own thermostat control for heat. And they're not that noisy. So I got my own private room, shuttered windows, plenty of coat hooks. That's all I brought right there. And then some of the stuff I keep in my truck. Got the bib, winter coat, house shoes, nice big card table, the pantry, Charles's room.
This is where the magic happens.
Cheers. Alright, wow. So, I haven't really filmed anything because it's been snowing constantly since we got here, and had to really kind of just set up, and we only got, an hour and a half of daylight, so I had to get everything set up, get the fire going, so just gonna bring you outside, catch you up, and then I gotta get my bibs on. It's freezing out here. We got a little fire going. Snow's coming down, so it's just getting the lens all wet and screwed up, but
Do a little smoke show, keep the bugs away.
this place is starting to fill in. There's a couple of neighbors, but still not many.
It's starting to snow again, too.
It is coming down. Yeah, so we got like a full cord of wood probably. Charlie brought all this. And I brought that little stack over there. That's plenty for a full day's worth of fire right there. So I'm going to put you back inside.
It's the only source of heat that we have.
Besides the 3 heaters in the cabin. We got a temperature check. We are at, it's under 20, it's probably about 12 degrees, maybe 15 or so. And then, nice and toasty in here. We got this 75. I'm gonna get the old bibs on, head back out to the fire. Probably can't hear me with this damn radio going, but hang out of there till we get bored of standing out in the cold, and then probably come back in here and play some card games or whatever. So I don't know how much I'll bring you along. All right. We're just standing out by the fire for a while, and it is like 10 degrees out, plus wind chill. We're frozen. We're coming inside to warm up and eat chicken fingers, it looks like.
Yes.
Oh, I thought there was no rats in there for a minute.
You gotta set it right on the hot thing.
Morning. Didn't film much last night, just kept snowing. And it was just us staying by the fire freezing.
We just had to come in and thaw out and pretty much went to bed. Got some new snow overnight too. Not bad. So it's looking like Sleeping Beauty finally got up. Just took a run down to the restroom area, and I think we're gonna get moving for the day. Heading to town, resupply, see if I can hopefully film more of the adventure today. Yesterday it was just non-stop snowing and the camera just kept getting wet, and then the GoPro I had out, but it was so cold I just kept dying like instantly. Brush the truck off. Hold on. Just warming the car up, gonna head into town, resupply, probably get to burn some wood. Yeah, it's about, I don't know, 8 degrees. Sleeping Beauty's still not up. We're gonna let him do his thing. One of these days it's gonna work. Alright, just got back from running into town to resupply. I didn't bring my camera because I figured we were just going to get some supplies and it wouldn't be interesting. So I got a huge fire log to try to get the fire going. And then we found this like antique store. This huge old ball peen head, a double bit axe, this old military shovel, and a draw knife. Huge score. All that for like 40 bucks. That's always a good sign. Oh yeah. Oh, wow.
We got Durafire, baby.
The wrapper's going out.
These things suck.
I followed the directions.
Yeah, we do that every time.
Sort of worked. Just needed some help. Alright, so we're going to do a test swing with the axe I just got today from the antique store. The handle's a little fucked up, so not sure if it's going to go well. I got this pretty dope shovel, and the action on it's super smooth. It's way better than the one I have. Sweet. The handle's a little bit broken. Nothing that can't be repaired. So, I'm just standing out here burning wood, drinking beers. I got plenty of wood to go through. Not much to film, so it'll be a short video. Check that stack job. Just building the most ridiculous fire ever.